Greetings from Dr. Sajjan Academy, an online global healthcare skill training platform. I am Dr. Sajjan Manapadi, International Medical Consultant, and I welcome you to the Student Ambassador Program. It's a unique program designed for medical students in such a way that it is not only a Student Ambassador Program but a practical life approach program for your overall transformational leadership in your life. Leadership and effective communication is a skill, but just knowing skill and not putting it into real life actions will not get you success. In my years of experience mentoring students, I have seen that some students were able to succeed tremendously with skills, but some students took the content but they were not able to succeed with it. And when I looked at the students who actually succeeded, I kind of observed that these students who succeeded have a different kind of mindset and motivation level to take action, and that helped them to grow faster. So I believe that this is a most practical approach program you can be in, wherein you shall take tasks, assignments to be done so that you get a hands-on experience of the real world. I don't want you to take this lightly. Moreover, I encourage you to go beyond the task's minimum numbers, expand, invent, discover, and be creative. Yes, to be straight to you, our Student Ambassador program is going to be uncomfortable, put you out of comfort zone, also maybe going to challenge your assumptions. The key to remember is that only out of your comfort zone is where the magic happens. And the level of awkwardness is the measure of learning. See, whenever you learn something new and you go ahead and change your belief system, it's going to feel awkward at first. All new behaviors, all new learnings will feel awkward at first. This training program will be intensive program, and it is designed to bring transformational in your leadership. Remember that for any transformation to happen, there will be some amount of pressure. We all know that only under pressure a black stone can become a diamond, and the diamond cannot be polished without applying a pressure. So please have an open mind while you are going through this training program. Trust me, whatever I am telling you will help you succeed because I have been through this journey myself. It took me a long time to reach this position where I am today, but I hope you will be able to cut short that and reach greater heights and faster than me. As a mentor, I and my team shall be always there to guide you. With this note, let's get started with our first task. Just ask yourself, what do I really want? What do you really want? And write it down. Writing causes thinking. Thinking creates an image, and you get these images growing so that you are building a vision in your mind. It's a visionary that changes the world. Think of that. But what keeps the competitive edge? What keeps you on the top is the ability to think, be creative, and take action. Remember, the body has limitations, the mind does not. We focus so much what goes neck down that we forget it all starts from here. If you are not mentally ready, you are never really physically prepared. And that's where the preparedness starts. It starts at the mindset of success. Just imagine, what would your life be like as you look forward towards the future if you decide, I'm not going to allow myself to be stopped by fear. And I'm saying that whatever you got to do, do it, because if you don't, fear will take over your dreams. So when you are young, you make mistakes. Don't let them eat you up, because everybody has failed before they made it to the top. You know you got to be tough because the road to success is always under construction. It's never a clean path to success. The people who have become successful are the people who have had relentless attitude. I wish you all the best as you are starting your student ambassador program bronze. Bronze is the beginning level, next will be silver and then gold level. As you go higher in the levels, your privileges will be upgraded along with an opportunity to be selected as a leader at college, district, state, regional, national and international positions. To keep you motivated, we have created an incentive system. Once you have completed the entire program successfully with all the tasks, you shall get a reward of 1000 rupees in your system. Not only that, we have many more surprising rewards for you in different forms as you keep achieving. All the best. We'll see you soon in the silver level to play big leadership games.